Hello, everyone. My message to you in this very moment is make every day a little bit time, several times a day, to let go of busy mind and doing, and to become aware of the liveliness around you, Mother Earth, and to become aware of your inner source of peace and love and joy. I like moving into that state of awareness through the healing and soothing movements of the ancient healing art of Qigong. And I like to share with you one of these wonderful movements I call the Waterfall and the Fountain of Life movement. So let's enjoy this together. You can do this movement either sitting comfortably on a chair or standing like me. Then bring your hands below navel and move your arms to both sides. Very slowly rise your arms up. Feel like a bird flying high in the sky. Move your arms and hands toward the sky as good as you can. Lift your chest, lift your chin, and reach up high. Then turn palms down. Imagine a waterfall pouring through you, cleansing, rejuvenating, calming energy of a waterfall flowing through your head as your hands move down slowly. Shoulders move down as well. Moving through the neck and throat. Waterfall flows down through your chest, palms facing the chest now. Waterfall moving through your stomach area and middle back and through your lower abdomen and lower back. And now we become like a waterfall falling down in very slow motion. We bend neck spine first, vertebra by vertebra, then bending upper spine, then lower spine. Waterfall falls down in slow motion, very mindful. Come into standing forward bend. However far you can go down to, that's perfectly fine. Relax shoulders, arms, and hands, and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale fresh energy from Mother Earth and exhale stress. Let it dissolve into the river of life. Inhale again freshness from Mother Earth. And exhale, let go, wash out all stress. Let it dissolve into the river of life. And then we gather the freshness of Mother Earth and come slowly up with your hands positioned like holding a balloon. Move Qi up, as we say in Qigong, elongating your lower spine first toward the sky, then the upper spine. And very last, lift your neck spine toward the sky through the top of your head. Feel like you touch blue sky with the top of your head. Feet deeply anchored in Mother Earth like a tree's roots. And now move your hands back to back together and rise your hands up like a fountain of life. And fingertips pointing now to the sky. And reach up as high as you can with your arms and hands all the way to the sky. Then we open up like a fountain of life and energy and move your arms slowly out and down. Feel like you're getting a shower of calm and joy and harmony from the sky. Relaxing shoulders and arms and hands down. Feeling calm and harmony and gentleness covering you, filling you, surrounding you. And now bring your hands very slowly to your pool of vital energy below navel. And then bring your hands to your chest. And here we connect with our inner source of peace and love and joy. Close your eyes. Breathing in, we are aware of our inner joy. Breathing out, we smile to our inner joy. Breathing in, joy. Breathing out, smile. Aware of the peace in me, I breathe in. Feeling the peace in me, I breathe out. Breathing in, peace. Breathing out, smile. Aware of the love I am, I breathe in. Smiling to the love I am, I breathe out. Breathing in, I am love. Breathing out, I feel loved. Thank you very much for joining me for the Waterfall and Full of Life practice. And I hope this inspired you to find your own way of moving into a state of peace and joy and to let go of busy mind and doing. Thank you so much.